Quiet in the room. Rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Hi everyone, this is Molly Eva Bailon. You can follow me both on my Instagram and Facebook. Just type Molly Eva A Bailon. And of course, I'm inviting everyone to please click, watch, and subscribe to Maverick only on YouTube. Only! What the?
Okay, syempre nandito tayo ngayon sa Rota, Apawi Philippine Aluminum Wheels Incorporated. Syempre kasama natin ang #1 na guru ko pagdating sa kotse, Boss Mick in the house. Boss, how are you?
Good.
Thank you dun sa ni-sponsor mo sa akin. Napakabait niya talaga. Pero boss, question lang kasi ang gaganda ng mga magazine mo rito. Talaga mga pandiinan. Ito ba mga binibili mo to sa Japan pa eh?
Ano yan? Subscription.
So alam niyo ba to si Boss Mick, basta may tanong kayo tungkol sa kotse, ito lagi tinatanong ko kasi talagang very knowledgeable sa kotse si Boss Mick. High school pa lang to eh. Talagang mahusay na sa auto. So, Boss Mick, question lang kasi medyo yung sister ko kasi tumitingin ng mga bagong kotse. Yun nga, siguro budget ngayon nasa mga 1.7. Sa lahat ba ng nakikita nyo mga kotse, ano bang okay dun sa budget for that?
Well, yun. Corolla Cross, I think is a good option.
Pero yung Corolla Cross ba natin, Boss Mick? Kasi nabalitaan ko yung mga Avanza, yung Veloz. Daihatsu pala yun. Ito bang Corolla Cross natin? Baka Daihatsu din to.
Hindi, Corolla Cross TNGA yan. Toyota New Global Architecture.
Okay, TNGA. When you say TNGA, anong ibig sabihin ng Boss?
Well, it means it's designed by Toyota. Toyota
New GA.
Global Architecture. So, what that means is common platform. So, a lot of other Toyota share that platform.
Okay.
So, TNGA.
So, yun ang uso ngayon. So, yung mga Veloz,
DNGA yun.
DNGA, what does it mean?
So, Daihatsu New Global Architecture.
Daihatsu New Global Architecture. So, ibig sabihin, Daihatsu pa rin siya.
Yeah, Daihatsu designed product.
Design product.
Or, maybe Toyota designed it, but it was made for Daihatsu.
So, yung Daihatsu ba is Toyota na rin ngayon?
Yeah.
Can you consider that?
Yeah, Daihatsu is owned by Toyota.
Okay. Now, di ba? Hindi katulad dati.
Yeah.
So, yung
for
Veloz...
a few years na actually.
So, yung Veloz, Avanza, yung mga Rush din.
Yeah. Veloz, Avanza, Race.
Race.
And, yung Vios na bagong lalabas.
Ay, yung Vios. So, ibig sabihin, itong Vios na lalabas is Daihatsu na to?
DNGA rin.
DNGA. So, paano yung TNGA? Ano itong mga TNGA?
TNGA, RAV4, Corolla Cross, Corolla, tapos
Camry.
the bigger, hindi kasi yung Camry is still the old platform eh. So,
okay.
I guess when the new Camry comes out, when it comes out, TNGA na rin yun. Tapos marami rin kasi TNGA comes in small, medium, large yun. Long, medium, and short. So, ina-adjust lang nila. So, marami rin kasosyo dyan. Yung mga US models, Highlander, ganyan. Yun, TNGA rin yun.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, mas solid Toyota kapag TNGA kesa DNGA, right? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, mas solid Toyota kapag TNGA kesa DNGA, right? So, para wag ka magkamali, lalo na sa mga katulad namin may gustong planong bumili ng sasakyan. Kala kasi
hindi naman you're not.
Hindi ba are we like discriminating itong mga Veloz kasi Daihatsu siya?
You don't think of it that way. Basta ang point lang doon is those cars were made for Daihatsu. Is it any better or any worse than the Toyota
Cars?
TNGA? Hindi naman siguro, baka hindi.
Pero
But
itong
it's just made for Daihatsu.
for Daihatsu. Pero kung kayo, boss, personally,
Specifically for Indonesia.
okay. So, ako, boss, personally, if you will get to choose whether to get Veloz or a Yaris, what will you get? Yaris Cross, Yaris Cross.
Well, kasi yung it's hard to, yun, medyo ano yan. It depends Iba, it's a different vehicle.
Pero parang narinig ko sa'yo, but you're not yet sure. Yung Yaris Cross ba right now?
I'm not sure actually. Kung TNGA yun or
DNGA. So medyo
sure.
medyo delikado. Pwedeng Daihatsu to, DNGA or TNGA.
I'm not sure.
Pero malalaman ba natin to pag nakita natin yung mismo unit?
If you research it online. Ang Toyota naman, walang tinatago yan. They publicly announce ano ang platform yan.
Okay.
So they're not hiding it.
How about yung Yaris na yung mahal, Boss Mick? Yung two-door na ginagamit nila sa mga karera. Katulad nung meron si Nina
Yung kasi kagaya nun, yung
Yaris na yun, yung old Yaris.
GR Yaris.
GR
Toyota yun. In fact, kasosyo nun, ang mga ka-share nun is yung LBX ng Lexus.
Okay.
Baka same platform.
Yung lumang Yaris na bago tayo nagkaroon ng mga cross, yun, Toyota yun.
Kasi yung TNGA is relatively new yan So, Toyota parang ginawa nila, lahat ng kotse nila will come under one platform.
Okay.
So TNGA nga yun. So, all the cars ng Toyota makes is basically all the new TNGA. Iba lang yung size.
So now, dapat lang, para aware ng tao, sa Toyota, meron DNGA at meron TNGA. So, pag gusto mong talagang Toyota, TNGA ka na for sure. Pero, not necessarily naman discriminating yung DNGA.
Kasi Daihatsu is also Toyota Kaya lang naman may Daihatsu at Toyota is sa Japan. A lot of people prefer small cars. Diba?
Daihatsu was doing it before. Pero ang Daihatsu ba, hiwalay rin sa Toyota before? Binili lang nila?
Binili nila.
Okay. Sige, so pagbalik namin ni Boss Mick naman, may tatanong ako sa isang klaseng GT naman ng Toyota. So, kakat lang kami, magko-commercial lang ako and we'll be back only